You look at this wiper and you see immediately what the problem is. The rubber is gone. This wiper needs to be replaced as soon as possible. Not only will it not help when it rains, but the other problem is, of course, that you can start scratching your windscreen, and that will damage your vehicle and cost you so much more to repair. So the first thing we need to do is get this replaced right now. Now when it comes to wipers, you have two different styles. This is a raised arch. It's made of metal, and it forces the rubber onto the windscreen. That one on the right is straight and flat, close to the windscreen. That's a low profile one, and it's especially used when you drive at high speeds. The owner of this car wants to replace this one with another low profile wiper, so we'll get that done as soon as possible. Now when you want to replace your wiper, the one thing that you want to do is make sure you've got the right length. Very often your driver's side, your passenger side will have different lengths for the wipers, and one way to do that is to get measuring tape out and to just measure that. This looks like 18 inches. Now you might be at a place where you don't have a measuring tape with you. Maybe you're at the mall, you're out shopping, and you've just stopped your car and you've just noticed that your wiper needs replacing, and you go into the mall. What you can do is just go to a place like Walmart or any other place where you can buy wipers, and they'll have a book, or they have a touch screen. And in that book or on that touch screen, you'll look up the make and model of your car, and it'll tell you the size of your driver's side or your passenger side wiper, and then you know exactly what to look for. We are going to replace this wiper with an 18-inch wiper, and that's exactly the right size. One thing that's very helpful, of course, if maybe you're at a mall or someplace, is that you don't need any tools to do this job. Sometimes as well with this packaging, it's very easy to open. The manufacturers have made it such that you could just open it by hand and take out your wiper without even having to cut open the packaging in any way. It usually comes with a set of instructions as well, and you can see exactly what to do, how to get this done. But I'll show you in a minute. It's pretty straightforward. So the first thing you're going to do now is you're going to put it up there 90 degrees. There's a small little clip there you push in, and it just pushes down out of the hook like that. There you go. To install your wiper on the hook style, you'll do exactly the same. You'll bring this around, push this in, and then up into the hook like that. And there you are. To remove the hook style, you're going to press a little tab in at the bottom, go down like that, and then lift it out like that. And that's all it is. So now when it comes to installation, you take your new wiper blade, open up the locking tab, the J goes in there, it's going to hook around this. So I push that in, goes around and goes up. Locking tab closes, and that's done. And there you are, wiper blade installed, and now both are low profile ones. I think the owner is going to enjoy this, especially when the wet weather comes around. Thanks for watching.